In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment in Klaviyo, specifically focusing on Klaviyo Inactive segments. Whether you're managing a large e-commerce site or running a small online store, segmenting your audience can be extremely beneficial. Segments allow you to tailor your communications to specific groups of subscribers, making your marketing efforts much more effective. Let's dive in and create an inactive segment together. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once there, log into your account with your credentials. If you're new to Klaviyo, you'll need to create an account first, but for the purpose of this video, we'll assume you already have access. Logging in will take you to your dashboard, which is essentially the central hub where all your operations will begin. Once you're on your dashboard, cast your eyes over to the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a selection of options, but for now, click on Audiences. This is where you manage all your subscribers, lists, and segments. After clicking on Audiences, select Segments. This is where you'll find the tools to create and organize the specific groups you want to target. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Create List and Segment. Clicking this will prompt a new page where you can start forming your new segment. On this new page, you'll be given a choice to create either a list or a segment. Select Segment. This action informs Klaviyo that you're interested in defining a specific group based on certain criteria, rather than just adding bulk users to a static list. Next, it's time to get creative with names. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the segment. Something like Inactive Customers Last 30 Days can be very descriptive and helpful, especially when you revisit your segments later on. With your segment named, it's time to set the conditions. This is where the magic happens. Klaviyo offers powerful filtering options. You might want to choose properties about someone when you're interested in filtering by personal attributes such as location, gender, or sign-up source. Alternatively, for behavioral data like email opens, clicks, or past purchases, go for what someone has done or not done. This will help you define inactive customers effectively by focusing on those who haven't interacted with your emails or haven't made purchases recently. Now, before finalizing your segment, click Preview Segment. This lets you see how many people match your criteria, ensuring you haven't missed anything crucial. Once you've reviewed and confirmed that the conditions accurately capture the audience you're targeting, it's time to click Create Segment. And just like that, you've successfully set up an inactive segment in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you can better target and engage with those who haven't been as active, optimizing your marketing efforts and hopefully re-engaging those customers. Thanks for watching and happy segmenting.